Hi, I'm Phil Simpkins. This is Seed Your Startup, an engineer's guide to bringing a creative idea to market. So we've been talking about the concepts of SEED, the Spark, Investigate, Experiment, Generate, and Expand. So now this is one of the main concepts, bringing our products together and generating the idea of your product, what you want to do, your idea, your app. So now it's time to produce. It's time to bring people on board. You've done some of your testing, you've done some experimentation, and now it's time to bring on users. It's time to sell your product. It's time to get it to market and actually put it on your website or go sell it at Walmart or wherever you want to sell. So here is when our metrics are going to come into play. Again, it's still relatively early, so we want to focus on how many users we're getting on board or how many sales we're making. But we do want to define some of our roles in our team and our project and who's going to be working on what, where we're going to be going, who we're going to be driving to, and what our customers are. So we're going to be developing some processes and defining some things that we're going to do and how people are going to work. So we're actually defining our working process. Are we going to drive around town to go talk to individual people? Are we just going to be talking on the phone? So we need to define the things we're going to do to extend our product and actually make those sales. We're also going to be working on schedules. When we want to bring things out, we got to keep in mind that we're making promises to our customers and our product. So if we tell them it's going to take a week to get something out, we need to make sure that we meet those promises. If you're still developing a final product for your MVP, then you need to finish up. You need to define what folks are doing and when that MVP is going to be finished so people can see it. And then this is where we're going to be doing some of our project management. You can either use Agile or Waterfall. Apps usually work really well on a modified Agile. Maybe your team's small enough you don't need to meet every day, or maybe your team's a good-sized team that you're spread across different cities that you need to meet over the internet and have conversations. It's all up to you. It's picking the right project management for the project that you're working on. Again, this is where we've created our MVP. It's all about where we're going. It's all about your implementation. It's all about development. So again, the waterfall concepts are up to you, but you do have an initial plan. But remember, your initial plan is going to fall apart right when you start talking to your first customers. So all the planning in the world's going to disintegrate once it sees the marketplace. But you do need to understand your concepts in simple terms. You don't want to use a lot of jargon. You don't want to use a lot of slang. You want to talk to people in the environment that they're used to and how they want to receive it. And again, this is all about our minimum viable product. It's all about the MVP. It's all about your product you're bringing to market. It's all about your implementation and your management skills and what your team can actually accomplish. Other than that, if you have any questions, shoot us some emails and we'll get to some specifics and ideas and capture all those.